Okay, we've got this head here. We've got everything we need here to finish the head, to get it all together. So we got the mouth here done, which will go in here like so. But we're going to have to cut some of this off once I get it figured out where I want to cut it off at. We've got this half-inch dowel, which goes back here for our string. We'll glue that in. We have our 3/4 inch block, which will go in here. That's for our, we'll attach to the mouth and the head with a 1-inch hinge, which we're going to use. So that gets attached on here, so our mouth will open and close properly. We're going to use a 1-inch ring for our string. We have a 24-inch piece of nylon string we're going to use. We have a 3-inch spring. This gets attached to the top of the head and to the mouth, top of the mouth. We have 2 of these eye hooks like this. One gets attached to the top of the head for our spring, and the other one will get attached to our stick, which is 1 1/4 inch stick is what I'm using, and this is about 9 inches. The back of the head. We made the ears for this, and with these will get glued onto the side, and they've got a 1-inch screw in there, so we'll also screw it on so it doesn't come loose. We have 2 of these small eye hooks. One gets attached to the top of the mouth for our spring to get hooked to. The other one gets attached on the back of the mouth where we're going to tie our string to. And we have our, these are going to be our bolts for the side of the neck, which will, this is 1 1/4 inch piece of 1/2 inch dowel, and we'll screw and glue this into there. Then we'll also drill a hole this size, 1/2 inch size, to go in here, and we'll glue that into the side of the neck. We get everything we need to finish up the head. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching.